Hey, I wanted to show you a couple tricks about Soundtrap. I got some questions about collaborating within Soundtrap. And so I'm just going to demonstrate here. I have a project and I've recorded some audio here in this track. So these are each one of these rows is a separate track. I happen to have recorded both of these actually just to illustrate that a second person can create a track that you blend in to your own, and you can move these around in order to make room for that segment. And so you can each record your own segment, you and your partner, one at a time, and then edit them together like this, splice them, to use the recording lingo. Uh, Another way to do it is, well, in order to collaborate, you create one project, and then you're going to share that project with another person. So you click the share button up here, and you enter in their school email here and click invite, and it will send them this link. Then they can go into Soundtrap, open up the same project, and work within it asynchronously, right, at different times. That's one way. Another possibility is to click the collaborate button here, and you can invite them again here, or you can click the call button. And with the call button, you can be within Soundtrap. They can call you, and then you can collaborate real time and go back and forth in terms of your audio. That's probably an easier way to do it. So I would suggest trying that. All right, that's basically it. I hope that's helpful. And I look forward to more questions below in the discussion.